YouTube, what's good? A lot of people want to know how you make money with no money, right? Give you one quick gem. All right, so we got selling platforms like Mercari. First of all, my Mercari, so far I had it for like over a year. I'm not as consistent, but as you can see in the photo I'm about to upload, I've made over $800. Now, these are things I even go to a thrift, but mind you, that takes money. So we're going to talk about like certain things you don't wear, you have in the house. Everybody has a certain thing, a technology that they don't use anymore. Whether you got a gift from an aunt or something and you're like, I don't use that anymore, you can always make money out of that. You got an extra controller from your PS4 or whatever, you can sell that and make money. People PC game, it's a lot of things, man. You got a shirt you don't wear anymore, you can't fit, sell it online. You'll never know, especially if it's name brand. You got sneakers that you don't wear anymore, clean it up, sell it online for half the price. Money in your pocket, easy, right to the point. Oh, and I forgot to mention, like, comment, subscribe. It helps the algorithm. Until next time.